Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southern Fannin County in north central Texas, northern Hunt County in north central Texas, Delta County in northeast Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected thunderstorms with heavy rainfall 5 miles east of Wolf City, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Rainfall rates of 2 inches per hour are possible. Storm spotters reported significant flooding with water running over the road on Farm to Market 904 between Ladonia and Pecan Gap. Flooding is expected to continue through 7:45 p.m. Locations that will continue to be affected by heavy rain include Cooper and Cooper Lake Park, Doctors Creek. Heavy rains often flood roads and other low-lying areas rapidly. Floodwaters may rise rapidly in creeks, streams, and normally dry washes. In hilly terrain there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where water of an unknown depth covers the road. Take a different route to reach your destination or wait until floodwaters recede. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm